I want to show you a pretty cool extension that somebody on Twitter reached out to me about. Check it out. The name of the extension is Inline Fold, and I'll show you what it does here. The Tailwind CSS framework is really nice, but it results in a lot of really verbose classes. And so what this person did was they created an extension where it hides that stuff. So if we go ahead and enable this and then go back to the index file, you'll see here that the classes, see, they get little dots. And then when you actually put your cursor on the line, it goes ahead and expands it for you. It's very cool. So if you're working with Tailwind CSS, check out Inline Fold.